Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Nana, you know the vibe, we see you looking. You should smell the aroma in the kitchen when she cooking. She the real deal when she make a home cooked meal. She's Nana the Saucy Chef, she got skills. Nana the Saucy Chef, she got skills.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making cabbage roll soup. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 5 cups of chicken broth, 4 cups of cabbage chopped, 2 large carrots chopped, 1/2 of a medium onion diced, 1 14-ounce can of petite diced tomatoes, 1½ cups of tomato sauce, 1 celery rib chopped thinly, 4 large garlic cloves minced, 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of ketchup, 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 2 teaspoons of sea salt, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 teaspoons of Italian seasoning, 1 teaspoon of parsley flakes, 3 tablespoons of tomato paste, 1 bay leaf, 1 cup of white rice, and you want to rinse that well, and also 1 pound of ground beef. In a pan over medium heat, you want to add your pound of ground beef. All we're going to do is break it apart, and we're going to let it cook until it's all brown. Once your ground beef is done cooking, you want to remove it from your pan. You want to drain it of any excess grease, and we're going to set it aside in a bowl. Now in a Dutch oven over medium-high heat, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. You just want that to come to temperature. Next, you want to add in your onion, the carrots, your celery. We're also going to add in our ground beef and also our cabbage. All you want to do is mix that well. You're going to let that cook for about 5 minutes. Okay guys, after 5 minutes, your veggies should have softened up some. You want to give that another mix. Now you want to add in your Italian seasoning, the ground black pepper, your minced garlic, and also we're going to add in our 3 tablespoons of tomato paste. Now you want to mix everything well, and we're going to let that cook for additional 2 minutes. Now we're going to go ahead and add in our chicken broth. Also to that, we're going to add in our petite diced tomatoes and also our tomato sauce. You want to make sure everything is well combined. Now you want to let it come to a simmer over medium-high heat. At this time, guys, you can go ahead and see if you need any salt. If you do, you can go ahead and add it. Okay, once it's come to a simmer, you want to add in your bay leaf and also your cup of rice. We're going to go ahead and mix that in there until it's well combined. Okay, now you want to reduce your heat to medium-low, and we're going to let that cook until the rice is nice and tender and also the veggies. And that's going to be for about 10 to 15 minutes. You want to go ahead and place your lid on top. Okay, now after about 15 minutes, you can turn your heat off. Now we're going to add in about, I say, a tablespoon of our brown sugar. You just want to mix that in real well. And all you want to do now is add in your ketchup also. We're going to mix that until it's well combined. And you can go ahead and taste it at this time, and you can adjust your seasonings as you would like it if you need to. Look how delicious that looks. Okay guys, so here we have it, our cabbage roll soup. It tastes delicious. You can go ahead and put some parsley flakes over top. You can use fresh parsley if you would like, just to give it a little color. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.